welcome to Aim for Freedom. No, this is not the Alien Gear holster. This is a sneak peek at the new addition to the Aim for Freedom project, the Osprey 45 by Silencerco. Just let me say that this is a match made in heaven. It seems like the Osprey was made for the FNX. The two designs mesh together seamlessly to form one solid piece of war machine bliss. We'll have plenty of action with the Osprey on the way, so be sure to subscribe and not miss a minute. Now let's unbox the Alien Gear holsters to get an initial impression. Okay, so we're going to do a little unboxing here. As you can see on the table, got the Alien Gear holsters that just came in. So we're going to take a look and see what's inside the packages. Package number one. Okay, so we've got an inside the waistband holder there. I'm sorry, that is actually... So we've got a outside the waistband holster there from Alien Gear, and that is for the FNX. So as you can see, to accommodate the RMR, it's going to need a little bit of a adjustment, which I can easily make with a Dremel tool. So we'll be doing that next, but you can see it's got a pretty snug fit. Looks like a pretty nice piece of leather. There you have that there. Okay, so let's see what else we got in here. And this is another piece which will fit the Glock. So you can snap that right on there and boom, you have your Glock holster. And that one actually fits with the RMR on there, surprisingly enough. Very nice fit. And those are just what looks to be some spacer parts. Pretty cool little symbol there. And let's check bag number two. Wow, that is nice. It actually has a skin type tone on it. It's got the Alien Gear symbol, a USA flag, and this is an inside the waistband holder for the FNX. Yeah, that's right, inside the waistband with the FNX. So we'll see how that goes. Let's take a look at that. So that one needs cut as well for the RMR, but you kind of get the idea. So we'll make some cuts there and we'll take a look at it afterwards. Hopefully it won't ride too close to that bolt. It'll probably be cut right before the bolt, up and over to accommodate the RMR. But I am impressed with the craftsmanship on this piece. You can take a look at it here. We'll get a zoom in. You can see the alien symbol, and it almost has like a skin type texture to it. The US flag,
and on the back it's got this real soft, I'm not sure what that fabric is, but it looks like it would be a very user-friendly holster. So check that out and we'll see how that works. Okay, and let's see if there's anything else in here. And you get another spacer kit there.
Now we're going to break out the Dremel tool and make some cuts to achieve the custom fit with the RMRs.
Alright, so as you can see, the cut here was made for the RMR.
It turns out to be a perfect fit, but there's one small part on the holster that seems to get hung up on the gun a little bit. It should wear in fine in time.
But overall, it's a pretty good fit. When putting the gun in, that may create some problems, having the cut there for the RMR. But we'll see how it works. So there it is with the little cutout. Alright, so the second time was a charm. As you can see on the outside the waistband, this one is cut perfectly. So I don't have an exact measurement for this, but I would say easy does it on these, because you know you can always take more off, but you can't really add it on. So and I also took the Dremel tool, and I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I kind of rounded out this edge inside there to make it slide in easier. And I'll try to get a close-up shot of that. See, the edge in there is rounded off. It really helps a lot for making it a little smoother. And that is it.
Once again, guys, I just want to thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure. Please like and subscribe if you found the content useful. And make sure you guys stay tuned, because we got lots of great content on the way. Lots of good stuff coming up. These videos will be weekly at least. Remember, aim for freedom.